Guys, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. Please disregard this band-aid on my forehead. I had a huge pimple that I popped it and then it started bleeding and it was just doing the most. But yeah, so this video is sponsored by Canary Fly Hair on Amazon. They sent me a 16-inch wig. It's a body wave wig with bangs. And in your package, I received lashes, the wig of course, and a wig cap. And yeah, so let's just get started. So I'm actually pretty happy that they sent me this wig with bangs, considering the big elephant in the room on my face. So now I can wear this wig out and go out in public and not have to worry about people looking at the bump or the band-aid on my head. But yeah, basically this is how the wig is constructed. It has a comb in the front where the bangs are and a comb in the back, as well as the two adjustable straps. So I'm just going to hook those on real quick. I like my wigs really tight simply because I don't like to use the combs. But in this wig I actually did use the combs. I always use the back comb. And this wig was very, very snug. If I didn't say before, this wig is a body wave wig and it is 16 inches. And so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like initially out the pack. This wig was super easy to install. And the hair is super duper soft. So I'm just going to brush it through, and as you can see, the bangs are kind of choppy, but I actually didn't have to do much to fix that. But yeah, I'm just going to brush it out. I didn't get any snags or tangles or shedding. And this is just what the 16-inch looks on me. So of course I'm going to go ahead and bump the bangs. But I also saw Reginae Carter on Instagram yesterday, and she had this hairstyle, so that's the hairstyle I'm going to attempt to do today. So yeah, if you guys just want to stick around and watch me style this hair, then stay tuned.